Hey guys, let's get started with the fascinating story of rich dad and poor dad. So here starts a conversation between dad and a child. Dad, can you tell me how to get rich, please? Dad, but why do you want to get rich? Dad, because Jimmy's mom took everyone to the beach house except me and Mike because we are poor. Is it? That's really sad. Sure. Dad, can you please tell me? Okay, if you want to get rich, learn how to make money. Yes, you have to learn. Dad, how to make money? Could you please explain? Well, use your head. Next day, a partnership was formed between Mike and Robert, and they both started to think about the business by which they can be rich enough. So, after thinking a lot, Mike got one fascinating idea from a science book, and they started collecting toothpaste tubes from the neighbors. By the way, in those days, toothpaste tubes was not coming in a plastic, it was made up of lead. So they melted them in a steel pot until it became a liquid, and with that liquid they started pouring it into the milk cartons. And milk cartons, when you see it, it was completely poured via POP, and when you see it was completely white. After some time, when his dad passed on with that route with his friend, they saw, what you are doing, be careful, it will hurt you, it will harm you. They are like, Dad, we are making a business, we are soon gonna be super rich. Dad was like, wow, but what are you doing? Oh, you are casting nickels from the lead. How? This is illegal, this is not proper. And suddenly their entire business idea become flop, because became devastated. They were really disturbed that how should I take this forward. After a while, his dad came and told them, you are only poor if you give up. Most people only talk about the things, but you did something, and at the age of 9, it's a very big thing, guys. Do something, don't quit. But Dad, why are you poor? Because I choose to be a school teacher. And guys, if you want to be rich, go and ask your dad Mike. He is a really big bull, and he will help you to get all the strategies to become rich. But my dad, like, why? He doesn't have a nice car or a nice house. Nice car and a nice house doesn't necessarily mean that they are rich. For example, if you talk about Jimmy's dad is working with a sugar plantation. He is having his car, nice house, which is given by the company, and sugar plantation is completely now in a trouble. If something happens to him, if something's happened to this sugar plantation, he will be devastated and no longer be rich. So guys, think upon it, and I just want you to learn the techniques, right strategies, and which Mike's dad is having. Soon he will build an empire. You just don't know how big he is thinking. So they were again fascinated and like very happy, and they started making ideas at how to get him. They both were excited. Soon Mike had a word with his father, and he agreed to meet both of them next Saturday. As next Saturday came, they both went in the office, and here's the offer which dad gave him. I've heard that you want to learn all the strategies, so here's my offer. This won't be a classroom style study. You work for me, I'll teach you. If you don't, I won't teach you. But if you work faster, I'll teach you more. If you don't, I won't teach you. Take it or leave it. It won't be a classroom style study. Really? Yes. Can I ask a question? No. Take it or leave it. I have got too much work to waste my time. If you don't make up your mind, you won't learn how to make money. It's your loss, it's not mine. Opportunities comes and goes, but it's your ability to learn how to take a quick decision. That's one of the important skills. You want to learn, that is your opportunity which I am giving you. Either take it or leave it. It's in your hand. And after thinking a lot, they both agreed, take it. Now guys, think what could be the consequences. Will they really work for them? And what kind of work? What lessons they will learn? Fascinating ideas are coming very soon. Stay tuned to know more. Share to maximum people. Let this story enhance and let the learning goes continuously. Yes, share to maximum people. I'll be coming up with more ideas, more strategies. This is just a beginning. Stay tuned, guys. Thank you so much.